What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be burning this big old brush pile here. This is on my property. We're about to start building our house. All this came from the house pad that's up there. It's gonna be a rager. I'll walk you around and show you how big this is. It's gonna be an all-day event out here. Stay tuned and watch us burn this. Why? What happened?
Yeah, I was just waiting for the caffeine to hit.
Caffeine, nicotine?
I was struggling. Once I got back up, got moving up. You know what that is. You do the all-nighter, you get an hour, and then you're like,
Oh, yeah.
To my brain. Where's your little torch at?
It's fucking right there, dude.
I thought you had one of those, like, propane top ones.
Oh, little butane one?
Yeah.
No.
I have one, I just don't know where it is. I think I used it to do all, I was doing a fire one. Teaching that, I used that thing and I left it
Making a YouTube video.
right now.
We're going viral, dude.
Oh my god. I did not sign, I'm not just signing off on that.
Dude, you don't have to.
Yeah, dude. I can't use my license.
That's hot, dude.
Contact my attorney is super good.
This is a little bit more wind today, there ain't get hot.
I was 2 minutes from here when you started the pen and I just lost confidence in
Where you're going?
Yeah.
Like it's never
I was
ending.
I go, I don't remember it being out this far. And then you sent it, said 12 minutes away. I go, no, bullshit. I clicked on it. And then it said 3 minutes. I was like, okay. So, because I started to rethink if I took the right turn.
Go down there
at the light. Because I wasn't used to it being a light anymore. Climbing up yonder.
Climbing up here. Dude, I bet you we got taped around this with a shotgun. We can kill some fucking rabbits today.
Oh, yeah. Morgan Wallen's about to release a new album.
Yeah, I heard, I was listening to a podcast. I guess he's like just like fucking everything at walk.
Dude, he's in a, because somebody messed him up. He's pretty, yeah.
There was one hot bitch, she's like, yeah, I know he's fucking everyone else, but I wanted some. God damn.
This is on YouTube.
Who was it?
We talked about this on YouTube, bro.
Oh, I'll silence this. I'll play some music, speed it up. We're gonna start another point over there.
Yeah.
Be like 4 points going. I thought that was gonna drip down there.
Wouldn't be surprised to find some snakes.
Oh, no, I guarantee you, there's hibernating up here somewhere.
With these stump ends.
It's a great day to be alive. Oh.
Burn all that big trash, but once it gets going. Oh.
We got Dalton here. Start another point over here. Don't tag me in this.
Is it light off? It's got its own thing?
Here.
You gotta light it. Just hold it down.
Oh, it's too rich. Twist that knob just a little bit. Alright, just barely. Alright.
got propane tank.
Yeah. Tender or not.
I think tree branches.
beat now.
It could. I mean, this is all dead. It's been sitting there for over a year now. It should all be pretty fucking dry.
Dalton's over here doing it the old school way. How's it coming?
I'm an old soul.
Old soul, he says. Accelerant, no accelerant.
Propane and
We're cooking away now. We got both ends of the burn pile rolling. We got about 30-foot flames over there. Kind of a better perspective. It's probably 30 yards long. The pile itself is probably 15, 20 foot high. Yeah, there's my truck. See the started back burning a little bit. Country. What do you think?
see what happens. It's heating up, I guess.
That is a fire.
Oh, that tree off, yeah.
It's hot.
Got some fuel over there on that tree.
Here's the original starting point. It's hot in there. We're about an hour in now. You can see it's shrunk a little bit. I'm trying to back burn the rest of this little shrub. They got a little warm a while ago. But it's ripping. That pile is smoking hot right now. Got Dalton over here with a torch. We had to move the truck back. Walk around, show you. This back pile caught on fire too. smoking hot. Still got a long ways to go. We're making good headway with about an hour in. All right, I gotta get down. It's smoking hot. Here we are, we're about an hour and a half in on this side of the pile. I'm trying to get this front left corner to start here, but she's cooking. We're moving right along. Over here starting another little pile. I just got this torch just up underneath and it's letting her eat for a second. Just catching now. This torch was like $30 from That was the best purchase ever. You ever have fire where you don't want it, just grab a blower. Knocks it out quick. Better than water. So I keep it off this old pump jack. Looks like my tripod made a stand. It didn't melt at all. Just noticed it was in the middle of that fire. Look at that. Amazon special. We had a little finger get out of the pile here, but I'm just gonna let it burn and burn off some of this dead grass. I use that blower to keep it off that old pump jack. It's not in service anymore, but I didn't want any little oil to catch fire on me. That'd be a nightmare. We got Dalton over here. We're gonna try and burn back some of this old grass over here. Piles is slowly going down, but it's a bunch of old trees. They've been sitting here for about a year, so they're good and dry. But it's gonna be an all-day event for sure. Try to burn some of this little underbrush right here in a minute. But we're moving along. Look at them. It's a natural habitat pyro. 2 hours in. She's still rolling. Try to burn off to the road up there. Still cooking over there. Dalton's doing Dalton stuff. The wife and the kids showed up. It's a family affair today, boys and girls. All right, we'll keep you updated here in a little bit. Here we go. Show you this blower power again. We just burned off all this grass, prairie grass on this side up to the property line. Blower put all that out amazingly. Tips and tricks, get a good blower. We're 3 hours in, and we're still cooking along. She's hot still. Still making slow progress. There's some big trees. What do you think, Dalton?
And beer.
Yes. Well, keep you updated. We are about 4 hours in. You can see it looks totally different, but we still got some ways to go. It's coming along though. Slow and steady, baby. All right, 4.5 hours in. I'm gonna call it for this video, but it's still gonna be burning for another day or so. I'm gonna run to town, get some lunch. But that was us burning this big old pile. As you can see, it's shrunk tremendously, but we're still cooking. So thank y'all for watching. See you later.